Hello everyone, welcome back to this brand video. Today we're gonna talk about how to fix there is a billing problem with a previous purchase error on your iPhone and iPads iOS 14 and 15. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply go back to your home screen. And actually there are two methods to solve this problem. So hopefully any of them will fix your problem as well. So for first method, what you have to do is just simply open up settings up here on your device and then tap here on your Apple ID profile and scroll it down. And here is the sign out. So from here, what you have to do is just sign out your Apple ID from here and then turn off your device at least for the 60 seconds and then turn back on and sign in with your Apple ID, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. And after this, if the problem still exists, then what you have to do is just follow the second method here. For that, again open up settings app here on your device and then tap here on your Apple ID profile again, and now tap here on media and purchases, and now tap here on view account, and now scroll it down here and tap here on purchase history. And from here you have to make sure that you don't have any unpaid subscription here. If you have, please remove them or pay for them, and then go back and then tap here on manage payments, and from here tap here on payment method here. And what you have to do is just here make sure that you have entered the correct information about your serial number and expiry date, and then tap here on your billing address, and from here double check your information about your billing address, especially for your zip code. And then what you have to do is just go back and tap here on country origin, and now tap here on change country origin. And from here what you have to do is just you have to make sure that you are selecting here country from which your credit card is made. So I'm selecting here United States, and then here are some terms and conditions, so read them carefully and tap here on agree, and again tap on agree. And here you have to select your payment method. I'm selecting here at none, and then here you have to carefully give your billing information, so you can put fake one, and here you have to select the state. So I'm selecting here California, and then here carefully you have to give your zip code. So if you don't know about the zip code for your city or state, you can search it on your Safari browsing app or any other browsing app. But in my case, the zip code for the California is 90201. And then here you have to give the phone number. You can put fake one as well, and then tap here on next, and now tap on done. So that's it. So hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment. I help you more. Thanks for watching.